Welcome to Premier Property Group's centrally located office in historic downtown Salem. The two-story Mission Oaks building was built in 2005 with a beautiful brick veneer exterior and contains more than 27,000 square feet. From here, head into the open and inviting lobby, where you'll find Premier Property Group's conveniently located first-floor office. It's spacious with a contemporary design, offering every amenity for agents and clients. You'll discover large, modern office spaces, many with oversized windows providing abundant natural light. A centrally located open workspace is ideal for agents who drop in. You'll also find all the supplies an agent will need to maintain a successful business. Enjoy the comfortable kitchen that's stocked with refreshments. Take advantage of our two conference rooms, a large conference room with a flat screen for presentations, and plenty of seating for agents to meet and collaborate. Plus a smaller, intimate room for a friendly and comfortable first meeting or to sign documents. The Salem office offers plenty of on-site parking and has easy access to Highway 22 and I-5. This convenient location in downtown Salem is close to shopping, restaurants, and our beautiful state capital. Come visit us anytime at 1255 Lee Street in Salem.